ready to pull into Perfect Day at Coco Cay. You can see a Norwegian ship out there. It's at their island. It's right over there.
Hi everybody.
Hello. So we just arrived at Perfect Day at Coco Cay a couple hours late because of what happened yesterday. We lost probably actually 3 to 4 hours with the stopping the ship and search for the person they thought might have been overboard. But they got that straightened out. Then they decided to go full speed ahead all the way here to try to make up some of that time, and we got here about 2 hours late, so they did cut that time about in half. They did have to sacrifice a show last night that we were supposed to go see, but they've rescheduled that for later today, so hopefully that will still happen. But we're here.
Yeah, we're excited. We're gonna get off the ship pretty soon and explore, and you know that will include a beverage and some floating.
Yeah. World's biggest freshwater pool right here.
Yeah. Woohoo!
You'll see, it is huge.
Yep. All right. See you later.
It's a pretty good comparison on the size difference between the two ships, the Mariner of the Seas and the Symphony of the Seas. The Mariner is kind of dwarfed compared to the Symphony.
Hey, here we are on South Beach at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. It's a beautiful day, a little humid, but plenty of water around us. Right now we're at the beach called South Beach. They have a floating bar. Pretty awesome. So we're gonna get some lunch in a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the big pool. Sound like a plan?
Yep, sounds good to me.
Cool.
Here we are heading to the floating bar.
I'm floating automatically to the bar.
Gravitate towards the bar, always. Back on the promenade, and we're going to the Bionic bar. We're going to have those two robots mix us some drinks. As you could probably guess, one of them is called Bio, and the other one is called Nick.
Age 55.
Have the drinks sorted by a person's age. Okay, so we have to start out here, it looks like. Ding. Ding. Right here. Okay, we're gonna go with a Bionic signature.
Alright.
And Let's see, a RoboCop.
Okay.
Let's try a RoboCop. That sounds good.
Oh, get it. I'll get it.
And here comes Bio making my drink. And it looks like Nick is getting Lori's. Absolute there. What's she getting very fast?
Getting now.
I can't read it. Oh, look at him shaking. He's shaking it. Can you shake it like that? Mine's going back for more alcohol.
Looks good.
Oh, mine's stirring. Mine's not shaking, it's stirred.
Oh, okay, good. Woo! Look at that! There it is!
And here comes Steve.
Oh, yummy.
Cheers. We're both. Cheers.
Ooh. What you getting now? Ooh. Ooh, she's shaking. Woo! Look at that! Oh, looks good. Woo! Look at that! There it is! Oh, yummy. Blue sky margarita. Woo! To our last evening. Pretty good. Champagne. Well, we are spoiled tonight. We have surf and turf, filet mignon, and a broiled lobster tail, along with many sauces and champagne. And there's Todd.
Taking a picture of my food.
Pretty amazing stuff.
Alright, so this is our room tour of our first inside cabin on a cruise ship. Not too bad, actually. Got a bathroom in there.
Small, but it does the job. Got a nice shower, and the door opens, and it's enough room. Not tons of room, but there we go.
Quite a bit of shelving space and hanging space. Safe. Couple of drawers down there. Very comfortable bed. This is our last day here, and I slept pretty well on that bed the whole week. TV. And another closet over here. And a couch even. Some more drawers over here. Sad bottle of rum that we're gonna have to leave here because we can't take it all on the plane. We didn't get it back until last night, so we couldn't quite drink it all. A refrigerator in there as well. And then a nice little makeup mirror here that lights up. All in all, it's a pretty nice room, actually. Would you agree?
I would. It's been fine.
Yeah.
Our final walk through. We're leaving this ship. It's been a great vacation. Sad to go, but ready to go home and start another countdown for another cruise.